a bowl, take some glutinous rice flour, wheat flour, and then some salt and baking soda, and add some sugar, 1 tablespoon, and sesame seeds. Then mix them a little bit, and then add some butter, melted butter, and then whisk it to a crumbly mixture, and then now add some hot boiling water to it, and mix it a bit, and then knead it with your hands. It would not be done otherwise. You have to knead it with hands for 2 to 3 minutes at least, and you got to make it into a smooth dough, so that it doesn't break when you are trying to make those donuts out of it, and it comes out very smooth and crispy. Now you just cover the dough and keep it aside till we need it. Now for the filling, take some chocolate and hot water, boiling water, and then mix it and keep it into the fridge until required. Now take out the dough and make small balls out of it. Now take the filling. The filling is like real tight. Now add some biscuit powder to it and mix it. And now the filling is ready. You just have to check it whether it's forming a ball. Yes, it is. Now flatten out the dough and put the filling in and just make it into a nice clean ball, and then fry them in a medium hot oil till they turn golden brown. Yes, so that it's completely done. Oh, they look wonderful. Now roll them into the sugar powder, and then there you are, your Chappsal donuts are ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Enjoy, and do like the video if you love it.